So your classically what you have is you've got this idea of a funnel that you put things in, you got your total addressable market on top, you build awareness, you get consideration, you get a decision, and the sale comes out when you're doing acquisition. And the problem with that is that's all looked at as, hey, that's a marketing function. And, and we try to create unit economics around how much it costs from marketing to get to this customer to get acquisition, when really we've got to look at everything holistically of sales and marketing. And we have to sort of flip this on its side and look at it this way. So you bring them in on one side and you do all the math on conversion rate optimization, all the things, the classic things that you've seen, what cost per click, cost per lead, that sort of stuff. That's all valid math that you want to do to get to the point where they commit and become a partner, right? And then you have to actually optimize your customer optimization on the other side. And then if you're doing a really good job and they become like advocates for you, it flips back into the awareness. And this is a different type of thinking. You can see it's balanced, right? Like you should have, you could have it tilt, you could put it on a pivot or an axle, and you can sort of tilt it as to where you need to actually have more emphasis. But it's like with a lot of folks, you're building this base of accounts, and it's then if you say you wanted to go from 20 million to 30 million, if you've got an existing $20 million in business and accounts, okay, well, now how do I get another 10 million? And the question is, you got to look at, you got to do some math to figure out what that is. And that's on the acquisition side, but you got to make sure you're taking care of the retention side. And maybe you can grow that 20 million to 25 million if you think of it that way.